Hello friends, welcome to PRAGJYOTISH Let's Learn channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss land resources of India, and the topics to be covered in this video are: number 1, land resources, that is land resources of India. Next is land utilization, and that is how in India the land is being utilized. Third is land use pattern in India, as the land is getting utilized and the pattern of use we are going to discuss. And the next is net zone area in different states. So let's start the video. The first, there is land resources. Land is a very important natural resources as it supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, various economic activities, transportation and communication systems, etc. So friends, we all know that land, how much important the land is. uh, it is important for natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, various economic activities, transportation and communication system. And land is limited, so it needs to be used with careful planning. The next is India's geographical area comprises a variety of relief features, which are: first is 43% plain land area for agriculture and industry. So among the 100%, 43% is of plain land area, and it is being used for agriculture and industry. 27% of 100% plateaus, which is source of minerals, fossil fuels and forests. And the rest 30% mountains, which provide perennial river water and sites for tourism and ecological aspects. The next, land utilization. So how land is getting utilized in India? In India, land resources are used for the following purposes. Number 1, for forests. That is, in the last page we read that 43% plains are for agriculture, and next is 27% plateaus, which is source of minerals, fossil fuels and forests. And second point is land not available for cultivation, it is barren and wasteland. Land put to non-agriculture uses, example buildings, roads, factories, industries, etc. The third point is other uncultivated land, permanent pasture and grazing land. Land under miscellaneous tree crops and groves, which is not included in net zone area. The cultivable wasteland left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years. So friends, here is important that cultural wasteland will be that land which is left uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years. Next is fallow lands, land left uncultivated for 1 or less than 1 agricultural years. That is, there is a difference between fallow lands and the cultivable wasteland. The cultivable wasteland is the one which is left uncultivated for more than 5 years, and the fallow land is that which is left uncultivated for 1 or less than 1 agricultural year. Next point is current fallow or less than 1 year. The land which is left uncultivated for less than 1 year is known as current fallow. Other than current fallow, land not cultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural years. 5 is net sown area are sown with crops. Gross crop area, which includes the area sown more than once in an agricultural year, and the net sown area. So, and here we are going to discuss land use pattern in India, how the land is getting used. The use of land is determined by the following factors. Number 1, physical factors, and number 2 is human factors. Physical factors are these includes climate, soil type, topography, etc. And human factor includes population density, cultural traditions, ecological capabilities, etc. The total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer in total. Land use data is available for only 93% of total area. So, among the 3.28 million square kilometer of land, only 93% of total area is getting used. It is because land use reporting of northeastern states except Assam and Jammu and Kashmir has not been surveyed. Between 1960 and 61 to till now, there are major changes took place in land use pattern, which were as follows. First point is area under forest is far less than 33%, which is necessary for maintenance of the ecological balance as per the National Forest Policy of 1952. The next is the land under permanent pasture is very low and still decreasing. The next point is most of the other than current fallow land are of poor quality or cost of cultivation of such land is very high. These lands are cultivated once or twice in about 2 to 3 years, and if these are included in the net zone area, the NSA becomes 54%. The net zone area in different states. The pattern of net zone area varies widely between different states. It is over 80% in Punjab and Haryana due to intensive agricultural facilities. So friends, where the facilities will be more, the agriculture or the net zone area will be more there. It is less than 10% in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you.